Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's do it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore, and as you can see right here we've got a whole Google backup section. So in order to turn it on, basically we have to first of all add a backup account. So let's tap on Backup Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got it, the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept because I think we will be transferred to this step. So here you can check that you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically whenever it will be connected with the Wi-Fi. Will store it securely, of course, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So to finish, just tap on turn on. And as you can see, our Google account has been added to this device, and basically from now on, your device will back up the data on it. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.